Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to insert title and source when someone copying articles for website. This will give a warning to the copycat person that the article they are copying has a source and can appreciate a content by including the source link of the article. Open the Blogger dashboard, then click the Themes menu and edit HTML. Look for the close body tag. Now add this following JavaScript. Once added, click the Save Theme button and finish. That's all. Hopefully it can be useful.